Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. This is going to be kind of a fun one. This is a Hisense 85-inch UR8 series. This features 180 hertz gaming mode. So that's crazy fast. That's faster than most like gaming monitors. I guess they're up to 240 now, but still for a TV this size, that's insane. It features the high view AI engine. Pull these out. You just kind of pinch this and pull those out. And this should open up like this. Excellent packaging on here. Now this is supposed to slide out this way, but I don't really have this much room in my house here. This box is quite large. I do recommend to people taking it off and as well as handling this TV. It weighs a little over 100 pounds. Once you get all the things off, I just kind of pushed it into the bedroom where my son helped me lift it up onto the wall. It has 4 screws on the back of the TV that were already in there, so I just screwed the mounting brackets for the wall mount onto there, and we're good to go. Then took off the remaining plastic and other protectants. Whoo-wee, look at that. Goes all the way to the edge. This obsidian, look at that. That is flawless. Check out this edge here. Just like a nice like picture frame. The obsidian screen, just a very sleek, very thin, couple inches at the most. The remote actually lights up so we can see the buttons easy. Everything's super responsive. Okay friends, well, I'm gonna darken the room and we'll see the brightness here on the television here. Completely dark here. You can see just how responsive this screen is. Okay, so we can see I pulled this up on my channel and you can see really well. The room is all blacked out. There's no problem at all. If anything, this TV can be too bright, but it's just the picture quality is excellent. Let's make it a bright room here. Okay, so we got our room all brightened up. What's nice about this is this TV is so vivid and bright that even if you have a bright room, you're gonna have no trouble like seeing the picture quality and the colors and everything like that. This isn't gonna wash out like other TVs and stuff. Like you have maybe a really well lit living room with the sunlight coming in there and everything, and it's difficult to see. Not the case of this. This thing is incredibly bright. Another nice feature, you got all your apps right on here. You don't need to have a Fire Stick and all your other players, your DVRs and everything else hooked up to this. You got all your things right on here. We got Netflix, we got Hisense TV, Prime Video, Disney, Hulu, YouTube, Tubi, Instagram. You got all the stuff on there. So you don't need like 5 different remotes running a bunch of different things here. Let's check out the settings here a little bit. Okay, so on here we have you got your screensaver, and what's cool about that, you can set it to like, hey, I want my picture to be playing on the background, or you can pick your own. This is very cool. It's very beautiful. I mean, because this almost looks like a picture frame, you can set that in your living room and have it changing different photos and things like that. Inputs, this thing's super handy, very smart. So I have an old computer my wife uses to transfer her photos on, and it's running like Windows 10 or something on there. And anyways, plug and play, just plugged it in, recognized it right away. So that was super impressive. You can just see your HDMIs or other things right here. Here I have a hard drive just plugged in, and same thing, plug it in there and it recognized it right away. No struggling to mess with anything. So I really like how the setup on that was just incredibly easy. It's just, yeah, there's nothing more frustrating when you're plugging in different things and it's just not recognizing. This is excellent, and it's super fast as well. You can see how smooth the transition is between apps. There's no lag on this thing. This thing is incredibly fast, smooth, and very, very intuitive and easy to use. So I got our inputs, we have our sound. Obviously we can mess with that a lot. We have the eARC auto, digital audio input. So you have like the HDMI or different things that you can use with that. Very, very nice there. Display and picture. If you're people that like kind of geek out on fully customizing and trying to get all the things out of it, you can just mess with all this if you want. You got the Dolby Vision, the color, clarity, calibration, reset settings, and all that. So it's super extensive there. We also have like, you can go to Google Home, set up your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, so you want to connect your phone, view the pictures off of there. All that is just so easy, no messing around with a bunch of stuff. So that's very nice. If we go to our menu down here, we got the picture modes. It's got different like preset picture modes if you're playing video games or movies, things like that. So we got that. We got a sleep timer if we want to turn that on or off. We got the intelligence settings. So can like analyze the current scene and automatically optimize the picture quality. So this is part of the AI things that has AI energy savings, intelligent sound, all these different things. It works just amazing. I have an app that I use that kind of filters out the content that I don't agree with. And what it does though, the downside of that is it runs at like 720p. This AI upscaler makes sure that it's running at, it upscales it to like 4K. So my son was like, hey, the picture quality is not that good. That's why I didn't like watching on the app. But with this TV, it bumps it up. So everything you're watching is in like 4K and just super good. We have a ton of other stuff on here that you can mess with if you want to. Parental controls, power and energy. And there's just a lot of things on here. It's fully, like I said, fully customizable and very easy to use. Like I said, this thing is pretty intense. Let's check out some of the other features here. So friends, not only is the picture quality insane, but the sound is very impressive as well. So this features the 2.12 multi-channel surround sound. It's tuned by Devialet. So you're gonna have a clear dialogue. You're gonna have the immersive surround sound that you would expect from a quality television like this. You got the Dolby Atmos. So, you know, with Dolby's basically the leader in the sound technology. It's just incredible. Check this out here. I'm gonna crank this up. So even though I crank it all the way up to full, I mean, you can hear that's just plenty. Even if you have a big room, you're gonna have no trouble hearing this television. There's no popping and scratching of the sound, even though I had it all the way up. Just excellent quality. It's very impressive. No need for an extra sound bar or a subwoofer or anything like that. Another really nice feature of this television is the ultra low reflection obsidian panel. So this basically is going to help reduce the glare and reflections, so you're able to see more of the details in dark scenes while keeping the bright highlights clear. So no matter what time of day you're watching your television, you're always going to be able to see the vividness of it, the clarity. It's just another exceptional feature of this television. Okay guys, let's break down some of the specs that makes this television special. First, it features the RGB MiniLED technology. This is designed to deliver richer colors, stronger contrast, and a more immersive viewing experience. By using individually controlled red, green, and blue mini LEDs in the backlight, this technology enables wider color expression and more accurate looking colors. This is what the CTA defines as an RGB LED TV. According to the CTA Video Division Board, RGB LED TVs are liquid crystal display televisions that use separately controlled red, green, and blue light emitting diodes at each element of the backlight source. But also beyond the color performance, this TV also delivers a high brightness for impactful HDR viewing with true 100% BT 2020 coverage and Pantone validated accuracy. You'll experience richer details, more realistic tones, and exceptional color accuracy. Alright, if you're a gamer, this TV is a game changer. With native 180Hz game mode, it's a great choice. The gameplay feels super smooth and responsive, with quick reactions and fluid motion, even during fast-paced scenes. So with VRR support and low latency, you can stay focused on the game without worrying about lag or interruptions, because lag will kill you. Okay, finally, friends, let's check out this last detail here. This is the HiView AI Engine RGB. This is another smart feature. I like how it uses the AI to automatically optimize color and brightness in real time. This is going to help every scene look more balanced, natural, and realistic, and you don't need to adjust any of the settings. Okay, friends, final thoughts on this Hisense UR8 RGB Mini LED television. It is absolutely massive. Setup wasn't too bad. Just make sure you have another person to help you out. The picture quality is absolutely stunning. There's no lag. If you're gaming on this thing, it's not gonna, or watching like fast-paced movies or sports, there's no ghosting or anything on the screen. You can differentiate between the darker darks and the darkest darks very easily. The picture quality is absolutely exceptional. The AI upscaling is just phenomenal. The auto tuning for like the colors to optimize that using the AI is crazy. Super easy to hook up to whatever you plug into it. This thing is phenomenal. All the apps on there are right on there. It's basically plug and play. You're ready to go. So if you're looking for a phenomenal theater experience in your home that's super vivid and bright, whether you've got a bright living room or a dark bedroom, it doesn't matter. Perfect for intense gaming and excellent sound quality. This television is a phenomenal choice. I highly recommend it. This is easily the best television I've ever owned for picture and sound quality. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna link it in the description below. Would you buy something like this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. ETPC out.